Nothing but good sounds here in qualification match number 7 as most of our robots leave their starting positions and start their autonomous action. All 3 Blue Alliance robots making their way towards the Blue Reef, scoring 2 level 4 Coral for 7 points each. And as we enter our teleop mode, looks like 2 pieces of Coral also up on the Red Alliance Reef in level 4 position as well. That puts our live score at 33-20. Just in favor of the Blue Alliance at this moment, but we still have 2 minutes left to play. 25-22, that's Royal Robotics. They're lining up, trying to grab some Coral from the playing field floor. They line up and look to place it in level 4. That is good for a teleop score of 5 points. Bit of defense being played on the backside of the Blue Alliance half of the field. That's going to be 29-29. The Jagbots, as they try to wreak havoc across the blue side. Back and forth between those Coral stations they go. Human players waiting for their robots to receive. Here comes 10,079 now. That's the Aerodynamics out of Boffle. They have a piece of Coral in their grasp, lining up with the Reef, looking to score it for up to 5 points. Royal Robotics continuing to score Coral as well for the Red Alliance over on that far left side. They're joined by Ramen Robotics out of Bellevue. Both pretty good Coral scorers in previous weeks, so we'll see how they do in this competition here in Bonnie Lake. Now just under a minute left to play with the score separated by only 3 points. Royal Robotics going for another piece. Ramen Robotics lining up the Reef as well. They have their eyes set on a level 3 slot, and that is good for another 4 points on the board. Royal Robotics on the hunt once again for more Coral, with a Blue Alliance robot trying to play interference at that front Coral station. Raid of the Blue Alliance, that's 44-69. This machine at the back, they scoop up a piece of Coral and line it up with the Reef. Looks like they may have their eyes set on a piece of Algae as well. That Algae blocking that potential Coral slot on that branch of the Reef. We're now 3 seconds away from endgame as we look to see if robots will make their way towards the barge. Lots of Algae blocking the way in the barge zone for the Blue Alliance. They'll have to clear through that if they wish to park. Jagbots now on their way towards the center of the field, near that centerpiece of truss between the 2 barge zones. Raid now coming in to park as well for Blue. And at the last second, 10,079 is the last robot to successfully park. Scores now certified from that last match, so up on the board we go. Final victory to the Red Alliance in match number 7. Final score 132-109 in a clean match. Excellent work to both of those alliances. Ultimately, free ranking points for the win go to each of those Red Alliance